Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and the daily today. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description. So choose the time frame you want, depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see here, that the weekly candle here, that green one here, it's finished today, and it gave us something here which is not healthy at all. Let me show it to you. Look with me here what we got here in that place. We came to the 50 moving average and we couldn't break it above that. Something not healthy at all, guys. You remember I showed it to you even in the monthly, because that one here is the 200 moving average, and in the monthly we got the 50 moving average, and here in the weekly even the 50 moving average is crossing below. So till now there is no bull market start yet, because we're still below in the 200 moving average. So there is nothing new. Yes, we got here, look at it, a very clear head and shoulder here. You see it or no? It's very, very, very clear, but I don't think we're going to break that week. Maybe yes, maybe no, because that week it's coming very, very huge news. We're going to go there, but till now there is nothing new here. And the market here, it gives us here a megaphone here in the weekly. Look at that, very big megaphone here. So we need the market to come to break here. If it's break here, yes, the bull run start, but if it doesn't, there is nothing yet. We need to wait till more was going to come. Yes, us before, we used to have here that wage. That one here is getting broke. The market went up, do we like that? Now it's going up. Now we need it to break for us here. If we break here that level, you're going to see the market it jump into the sky. So for long-term traders, my advice to you, just DCA once a week, depending on how much money you earn, buying once a week, make like, let's say Saturday or Friday, you're buying once a week, once a month, depending on how much capital you have, because you are in a very, very, very nice levels to start buying slowly by slowly. You don't know in the future where is going to be the Bitcoin, but here, for clear picture, also the bull market, it hasn't started yet, and we couldn't break at last high here. That one here, as you see it, very clear. We couldn't break it. We came to it, and the market is showing here. There is no breaking here. Yes, the market here, it gives us here a very, very, very clear pattern here. As you see it here, it used to be green. They came that two red candles here. Then it came that green candle here. I'm talking, let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you a little bit. As you see here, what we have. What you have here. Those green candles here, those ones. Then they came those red candles here. Then it came a green candle. What that meant? That meant here, those candles here, and that one here, and that one. That a continuation pattern. That green candle who came here, that engulfing candle will close today. That's a continuation pattern. But should you enter long? No, my friend, not yet. Look at it. It came here to the 200 moving average and there is no power to break it. So we need at least another week the market to close above the 200 moving average. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for that week. I'm going to give you all the weeks, so it's going there. Here we are. Actually today, in America, there is a holiday, so the market will be closed. That you need to put it in mind. So it's going to stay only market makers in the market, and those ones they doing the madness of them. So on Monday is it a holiday in the America, and all US stocks they will be closed. Then what we got here in Tuesday, 21 February, we got here exiting home sales, as you see it here. Then in Wednesday, what we got, and that one is very, very, very important. We got in Wednesday, 22 February, we got FOMC minute or FOMC meeting minute, and over here they are going to vote what they are going to do, if they are going to increase more interest rate or they are going to stop. Economical what we see from the data we came, it look like they are not going to stop increasing interest rate. But now here, the key question, if they are going to increase by 0.25 or they are going to increase it by 0.50. So that two here, that the key question. And we're going to know it in Wednesday, 22 February. You need to remember those things, I'm telling you very, very, very well. I try to explain like that because I know some people, they follow me, they don't understand English very well. So me, I try to explain like that. So in February 22 or in Wednesday 22 of February, the Fed meeting minute, they are going to vote if they are going to increase interest rate more or they are going to slow down. And the key question here, if they are going to increase it by 0.25 or they are going to increase it by 0.50. Now the most important part here, then what we got in Thursday 23 February, what we got the CPI of the Eurozone. Then what we got the GDP of USA, initial jobless claim. And we got at the end of the week in February for PCI price index. And even that one is very important. So we got a very, very, very huge week. A lot of data is going to come, and of course we're going to come to you day by day to explain those things to you. And here, our friend, that table of us we follow it every day. What it's telling us here, as you see, that table I'm talking about. Today, the Dow Jones, it's open green. That's something good. The SP still here red. The Nasdaq, same thing. So all of them, they are the same thing. Nothing was changed here. So even that one, you need to be careful about that. Plus here, our friend, the VIX, that one also we follow it every day. What it's telling us here, staying above 20. And scarness go back. And I think it's going to go more than 20 that week because the Fed meeting, that one is very, very, very important. And remember it and write it in a paper and put it, stick it in front your laptop. Don't try to open an order before that day. Okay? I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the daily. So it's going there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, we still for long-term traders. Here what else we said in the last two videos, we said we got here a flag like that or an up channel like that. Till now we couldn't break it here, and till now it's showing to us here a rejection. Look at it. The candle will finish today. Tell us there is a pin bar indicating the market is going to reverse. And here, look at that green candle, that one. Let's zoom it a little bit. Look at that one here, that green candle here. What it's telling you? That one here. If we came to the top of the tail of it and we're drawing a line like that, and the lower of the tail of it and we're drawing a line like that, what we got an inside bar. Yes or no? You see all those candles here, even the previous one, that one, all of them, they stay in the range of that candle. Yes or no? That one also being a lot of time talking about it. Now we need Bitcoin either to come to break here and it's going to break for us the top of that flag, or the Bitcoin to come to break lower here, then maybe it's going to fall down again. So you see it how we done it. So even you go to your chart and try to do the same thing. Everything is too clear here. So here in the daily, we don't got nothing new here. We got now here that inside bar, as I show you. We got here that flag, that one, as you see it, and you need to wait in. Also, we're touching the top of it here. Now, either it's going to fall down to touch the lower here, then after that to go up, or maybe it's going to break here. Till now, there is nothing new here in the daily. Yes, also we got a divergence and we got a lot of things, but till now we need to wait in a price action. Telling us also we need to enter short. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. You need to remember that. Over here, what else we said before? We said the market tried to give us here a price action. Let's wait if it give us here a double top like that. And it came and breaking for us the lower here. Until now, there is no power to break that last high, which is here. As you see it, first time we fall down to here. And now it's showing couldn't break it there. Now either from here is going to come and to break it up. If it came and do it like that, let's make it like that. If the market came from here and breaking up here, it's going to give us here like a triangle like that, and it's going to be broken here. And you came down here and you doing that line like that, and you're calculating the target of you. If it's not, if it continues falling down till here and breaking for you the last low, which is here, that one here, that means it's going to give you a double top and you need to enter short that time. Remember that if it came and break lower here, that level here, that one here, look with me here, that one here, how is going to break it? Let's say it's going to come candle like that, another candle like that, the next candle, that one is going to come like that, it's going to open here and to close here. If it closed below that line, you need to open a short position from here. Then you put the stop loss depending on your money management and how much money you're risking from your account. You can put it here, you can put it here, depending you and the risk management of you. I think everything is too clear here. So now us here in the 4 hours, I give you two scenarios. If the market came back from here and breaking higher here, that level here is going to give you here like a triangle like that. That means even that one is still a bullish signal. But if the market came and break a lower here, it's going to give you a double top like that. Look at it. So I give you two scenarios. You wait in when it's going to complete. Everything is too clear here. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we got here a clear divergence in the chart. I show you we got here a big divergence before and now it gives us here a smaller one. So even that one you need to be careful about it. If it came in the chart me I'm talking and breaking for you us that lower of that double top us we being showing you. If it came and break it you enter short because here in our indicator we got here a divergence. You need to remember that. And here in that indicator look with me you can even come and do it like that. A trend line. Even here, the trend line, it hasn't been broken. So even that one is a signal. It might is going to come down here. Then after that, to go up. You need to be careful about those things. It's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Also, we are here at the overbought area. So now technically, also we need to look in for short opportunity. For us to enter short, we need a price action here in that level. Because also here in the daily in 4 hours everywhere also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. I just show it to you in the weekly. In the weekly you are in 200 moving average. In the monthly you are in the 50 moving average. In the daily you are in a historical resistance. So you need to be careful about those things. Now here if it gives us here a signal that the market is going to reverse like that, give us here a double top like that, we will enter short guys. We don't know till where, maybe till here. But we will enter short and we will using stop loss. I'm talking here about people they using leverage and margin. People they trading only with spot, don't enter any short. We just waiting the correction to finish and we will wait finding another price action. Then we're going to enter long again. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what me I told you here. I told you we got here a very clear symmetric triangle. The Bitcoin it came, he gave you us here a fake out here. So maybe you enter from here, you put stop loss down here in that level here. That normal and that a part of scalping and day trading because scalping and day trading is too dangerous. You open a lot of orders per day. Some of them they reset, some of them it's being stopped hitting. So it's like that. Then it came back and breaking for us lower here. Now it's showing it falling down. So people they haven't entered yet, they can enter short here in 30 minutes. Take profit for that one, it needs to be just down here. Stop loss, you can put it here in the top of that level. And for the video before in the past one, what else we said? We said here for aggressive people. So those people they enter from here, if they put in stop loss down here, now then they are in profit here. Yes or no? And today, what is it? Today is Monday, guys. Yes or no? And also what we said? We said here, we got like that. A trend line like that. Even that one, you need to be careful about it. If it's going to be broken here, because when it's going to touch here, you need to start thinking of to take some of the profit. So those people, they enter from here, like that. When we draw in here, that symmetric triangle here, when it's getting broke here, in that level here, when it touching here, that trend line here, that one, you started thinking of to take profit. Here, you started thinking of to take profit. Why? Because it might, that one is going to touch that trend line here, then after that, it will go in upward. So even that one is a scenario. Now here, it's showing it's falling down. Till where? We don't know exactly. Because as I show you now, look with me how I draw it. You came down here to those ones like that, and you draw in here a trend line. For it to fall down again, till down, it needs to break here. That level here is going to fall down again. But if it doesn't, if it just touch it here, then after that will going up. Even that one is a scenario. And that week, we need to wait in was gone. The Fed tell us because that one is the most important news that week. You need to be careful that week, guys. Don't try to overtrade that week. After the Fed, then you got everything because when the Fed minute came or that voting of them is going to finish, you're going to get a clear picture where is the market it will go. But before that, all of us we just gambling at that time because we don't know those people what is it in the brain of them. Some of them, as I told you in the past week, some of them, they want to go back to add then more 50 pound. I don't know tell where they want to reach by that interest rate. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, it's being here at the overbought area. So that way also we've been telling you from here we need to enter just short. Now it's breaking for us here. Now it's showing it going down to the oversold area. Now here you got two scenarios. It's going to touch here, the trend line also we're drawing here, that one here, and over here try to protect yourself in the trend line here, try to take some of the profit, and our indicator maybe is going to be here at the oversold area. Then try to find another price action here. It's going to tell you maybe to go up, or you're waiting if it's going to break the trend line down and to go down more than that. So all the scenarios, they're still possible and you need to put them inside. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you in another video, and please don't forget to support us by just liking the video, writing down a comment. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.